Welcome back to Overheat, Ferrari Motorhome, 2026. External, adaptive panels that can be adjusted to lessen wind resistance while moving are probably going to be installed on the external surfaces. Adaptive matrix LED technology, which may show particular patterns or messages, will be used in the headlights and taillights. One distinguishing element will be the logo of the lit prancing horse. Lightweight and sturdy materials, the motorhome will be lighter while still being strong and safe thanks to the use of titanium, carbon fiber composite, and cutting-edge aluminum alloys. The RV will be able to switch from trip mode to operating headquarters in a matter of minutes thanks to the completely automated and incredibly quick side and roof extension systems. High-tech transparent solar panels that can produce electricity to replenished internal battery are probably going to be installed on the roof. Interior, huge screens with interactive holographic projections, performance graphs, and strategy simulations in 2D and 3D, as well as real-time racing data. Zero-latency data transfer to Maranello headquarters and onboard sensors is ensured via an exclusive 6 network or even more sophisticated satellite communication technology. A lighting system that can change the color temperature and intensity to lessen eye strain during extended workdays is known as adaptive lighting. An AI system that helps with data anomaly detection, performance prediction, and vehicle setup optimization is known as integrated artificial intelligence AI. An integrated entertainment system with a flexible, roll-up or fold-down old screen, plush modular sofas, and cutting-edge massage seats. Gourmet Kitchen, a compact yet fully furnished kitchen with cutting-edge appliances to make nutritious meals catered to the driver's dietary requirements. The driver's private suite consists of 2 or more rooms with plush beds and a sophisticated environmental control system for the best possible sleep. Biometric Security System, to ensure data confidentiality. Authorized team members can only enter the motorhome using their fingerprints or facial scans. System for recycling and filtering wastewater.